So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to check your reposts on TikTok. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your TikTok application for that reason, and let me just real quickly repost this video. So for that reason, I will go with the share button and tap on the repost. And as you can see, I have successfully reposted this video. So now to find out our repost on this TikTok, we need to go to the profile on the bottom right side corner, and then from here, as you can see, here is the repost option. So if we select that one and simply reload our profile, and as you can see, here is the video which I have recently reposted, and the other video also available which I have previously reposted. So that's how you can check your repost on TikTok. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.